Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Lakshmi's One Stop. This video is specially about my elder daughter Sloka. One day she was asking me why always flowers for festive decoration. Can't we do anything without flowers? So I tried to do these two DIYs for this Diwali. Her wish was to include everything like butterflies, unicorns, rainbows in festive decoration. I can't include everything, but I tried to do something with butterflies. Let's see how I did this. I got these tea light candle holders for last Diwali from India. These are not available here in USA, but we can get these tin cups, tea light candle holder tin cups in Amazon. Both will work same. Here I am using 10-inch floral stem wire as the handle. I am just adding it inside the holes which is available. If the holes are not available, we can glue it directly by using hot glue gun like I am doing now. Glue both inside and outside so that it will not come out while doing the next one. Here I am using the gold spray paint. This is how these turned out after spraying the gold paint. Now for the first DIY, I am using these butterflies which I took from Amazon. These are wall stickers. Here I am using this one for the candle holders. By using hot glue gun, stick the butterflies to the both sides. Since here we are using only on and off tea light candles, it will be fine. Now here I am using this crystal bead chain as the hanging. In place of this crystal bead chain you can use gold bead chain also, whichever is comfortable, or you can use a lace string also. See how beautiful these turned out? My daughter is in totally love with these butterfly hangings. For the next DIY, here I am doing door toran with diya hangings. For this one I am using this floral lace which I got in Michael's long bag. You can find like these lace in Walmart, Dollar Tree also. Since the floral stem which I am using here is thin, I am cutting this lace into two parts so that I can use in two different colors, green and yellow. If this kind of lace is not available, we can always decorate these diya hangings with beads also. Anything will look perfectly fine. Now all our diya holders are getting ready. For holding these diyas, I am using bead chains which I got long back ago from Dollar Tree. These are not available now. You can find like this chain in Amazon also. I'll be providing that link. Here I am using this gold ribbon at both ends so that we can hang it to the door, and also securing the knot by using hot glue gun so that it will not go away while doing. Now once the top line is done, cut these bead chains in different sizes so that we can hang our candle holders. Now add these bead chains to these candle holders using hot glue gun. After applying the glue, hold the bead chain so that it will hold and dry out. If you leave it immediately, it will fall apart. If you are inspired and want to try out any one of my videos, please share your pic with me on my Instagram. It will be my pleasure to watch all your pics. Here I have used hot glue gun only to attach these candle holders to the main line also. If you don't want to do that, you can use the thread also. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe, like, comment and share with your friends and family. Don't forget to check out many more Diwali DIYs in my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video. See you all in my next video. Bye.